I'm back with some human hair drip from a company that we worked with before. Oh Lord, my breast out my bra. With a company that we worked with before and we really like them, and that's Incolorwig, y'all. They sent us along around this time last year a long, like, copper colored bone straight wig, and I absolutely loved it. So I hope I like what's in here. Y'all know I have no idea what's in this box because I like to open it with y'all. Color again, no extras, just straight up wig. But look at that color. Now, if I just read straight off this label, this is a Jerry curl that is 20 color wig. I'm sorry, this is a Jerry curl wig that is 24 inches long and it's in the color 30. Y'all, that is absolutely gorgeous. If you look in that description box, I put all of the details for this wig because y'all know I butcher some in a minute. Okay. I'm just taking all the packaging off. Y'all, this is absolutely gorgeous. And y'all know that I actually prefer, if I can get it off, ash blonde. So these, y'all see them waves coming in a little bit? These darker or brassier tone blondes I normally don't go for, but how can you deny how pretty that is? Gee whiz. All right, let's look at the cap construction. You get a comb in the back and adjustable straps. And then in the front, ooh, somebody finna love this on Posh. Look at all that party space you get. That's either a 13x7 or a 13x6. You get a comb here to the right and you get a comb to the left. So for those of you that like all that party space, there you go. She also comes with baby hairs. Wee. Absolutely gorgeous. Hey, before I cut off this lace, y'all know I like to plop it on my head. Ooh. I can say that it feels comfortable on my head. Okay, so I reviewed tons of, look at that cap. I reviewed tons of Jerry curl wigs, but what makes this one different is that color. Y'all, that is gorgeous. Let's cut off this lace and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. We're gonna play around with it a little bit. Be right back. Y'all, this wig is absolutely gorgeous. I sprayed it down with water. This ain't nothing but water and conditioner in here a little bit. Y'all, this is, imagine this in the fall. Absolutely gorgeous, y'all. I 1010% recommend this, and y'all know that human hair really ain't even my thing, but this is gorgeous. And it's super beginner friendly. Okay, that length, I mean, they said 24 inches long. It really doesn't feel like it's, yes, it does. Now that I'm looking at it, stretched, it is. Let me stand up. All right, so stretched. Here's my belly button, and that's where it falls. Okay, so if you want something longer or shorter than this, just use that for reference. Here's my belly button. There's where she's falling. This is absolutely gorgeous. This color is nice. The ease of this is nice. Absolutely gorgeous. 1000% recommend this. They normally send me a coupon code, so if you look in the description box, be sure to use it if you decide you want this. They have this in other, like a natural, or more natural color too. So if you want this in black, you can get it. I want to say they got it in a 99J. Absolutely gorgeous. So you see I didn't put any water here. That's what, this will dry to this. Perfection. I 1010% recommend this one. Like I always say, maybe you're not even into wigs. I don't know. Maybe it's your auntie Inez. Maybe it's your uncle Eustace. I don't know. Whichever one, send them our way, and me and Incolorwig will get them right. This is a bob. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon.